Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bosch dryer won't start when you press the power or start button, it can quickly disrupt your laundry routine. A Bosch dryer may fail to start for several reasons, including power supply interruptions, door related issues, cycle settings, or temporary electronic glitches. In many cases, the appliance itself is not permanently damaged, and a few basic checks can help identify the cause. Before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting, it's worth performing some simple steps that may restore normal operation. In this video, I'll guide you through several things you can try to get your Bosch dryer running again. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Bosch dryer is receiving electrical power from the outlet. Step 2. Make sure the door of the Bosch dryer is completely closed. Step 3. Confirm that the selected program on the Bosch dryer has been set correctly. Step 4. Disconnect the Bosch dryer from power to perform a reset. Step 5. Reconnect the Bosch dryer and wait for the controls to initialize. Step 6. Start a test cycle on the Bosch dryer and confirm that it begins operating normally.